Hi, as you know by now, my name is Olivia, but a lot of you might not know me, and this message is going to reach a lot of you, particularly ladies. Why? Because, ladies, you know what? Let me start over. I'm just so freaking excited to share this with you all. Girls, the days of bad Zoom calls are fucking over. Let me repeat that again. The days of bad Zoom calls are over. You want to know why? Because I bet you don't know, but I do. I know how to use a filter on Zoom, and you're probably thinking, there's no filter on Zoom. And you're like, wondering what the fuck am I talking about. So then you go into the settings, then you see the options for virtual makeup, and you try it, and yeah, you look good. Till you turn to the side and your face is over here. Believe me, I know, because I can't live without any fucking filter. Like I need to look beautiful on camera and it doesn't always translate, especially on Zoom. So then I've tried the virtual makeup and yeah, my face was on. Everyone was making fun of me because they could tell it was a fucking some kind of CGI shit on it. But yeah, so I went and I looked online and you can probably do this too, but I am selling for $1 the manual to get perfect face for Zoom calls or literally anything at all on your desktop. So yeah, I googled it and I figured it out. So you can do it too, but I am selling it for $1 so you don't have to do what I did, which was read a bunch of bullshit before I fucking found the answer. Now I'm going to deliver the answer to you. And yeah, it's only $1, but it's a step-by-step guide on how and what to do, what to download so that you can use it on Zoom calls and have a beautiful Zoom square. I'm telling the truth. Anyway, if you're interested, the link will be on my drum page, which is on the bio on my Instagram, and I'll have all that information up. So yeah, this was just a PSA. If you're interested, you can also message me, and if you want it for free, message me too, but you have to have a really good reason. Like you need to and I'm willing to just tell you how to do it. Like I'm just curious, like it's an entrepreneur mindset. Like people sell this information. I'm just trying to do what everyone else is doing. But I mean, $1 is not gonna cost you anything. It's literally 4 quarters. So what do you have to lose? Like, do you trust me? Do you think I look good right now? Never mind if you think I'm ugly or like my skin's too dark and my hair is blonde. I'm talking about the fucking lighting and how clear my skin looks. Because if I take the filter out, watch. And I also have a good camera because I'm using I have lights like all around me, bright lights. So yeah, okay, I can't turn off the filter here. Let me try. Okay, do you see a difference? No? Do you see a difference? I think I do. I'm not sure. Alright, let me try. Okay, do you see that? I don't look as, look, watch. Okay, wait, it's not. Okay, there you go. Now it's working. Okay, so yeah, I have a rosier complexion. My skin looks a lot clearer. My earrings are on point. So is my hair. And yeah, I'll stop babbling. Like you get the idea. All my information's down there in the description, and also on Instagram and Facebook. You can find me on Facebook. So yeah, I hope to hear from you, and I hope to hear that you're sick of looking like shit on Zoom calls, no matter how good you did your makeup that morning.